Feminist jurisprudence teaches us that legal attitudes about women and legal formulations of women are often embedded in the law and its institutions. One of the critical functions of feminist jurisprudence is to call out those attitudes. Diane Rawlinson wanted to be a prison officer in Alabama. She didn't meet the minimum height and weight requirements, and the court agreed that those were discriminatory. However, she wasn't eligible to even apply for jobs in the male prisons, and the court found that this discrimination was justified. The majority judgment said a woman's relative ability to maintain order in a male maximum security unclassified penitentiary of the type Alabama now runs could be directly reduced by her womanhood. Sex offenders who have criminally assaulted women in the past would be moved to do so again if access to women were established within the prison. There would also be a real risk that other inmates deprived of a normal heterosexual environment would assault women guards because they were women. Heather Miller broke down the inherent attitudes of the court majority. Men deprived of heterosexual sex will be overcome with lust and become uncontrollable when confronted with the inherent sexuality of any female. Women need or are more deserving of protection than their male counterparts. And finally, male sex is indicative of the ability to wield authority. Justice Marshall, however, wrote a powerful dissenting judgment. The court refers to the large number of sex offenders in Alabama prisons and to the likelihood that inmates would assault a woman because she was a woman. In short, the fundamental justification for the decision is that women, as guards, will generate sexual assaults. With all respect, this rationale regrettably perpetuates one of the most insidious of the old myths about women, that women, wittingly or not, are seductive sexual objects. The effect of the decision is to punish women because their very presence might provoke sexual assaults. It is women who are made to pay the price in lost job opportunities for the threat of depraved conduct by prison inmates. Once again, the pedestal upon which women have been placed has, upon closer inspection, been revealed as a cage. This underlying attitude that women's sexuality makes them both provoking and vulnerable is one of the key hidden biases in the law, which feminist jurisprudence will always seek to identify and challenge.